When it comes to buying material handling products, look no further than Illinois engineered products. Folding security dock door gates provide a cost-effective solution to protect against pilferage and unauthorized entry. These security gates easily block off restricted areas while allowing temporary access. Security gates are made to last, using 3/4 inch thick, 14-gauge galvanized steel with corrosion-resistant zinc-plated rivets. Gates are also available in a variety of colors in powder-coated finishes. Gates come with wheels for smooth opening and closing. Safety gates fold easily and can swing up to 180 degrees for an unobstructed, clear opening. A padlockable lug is used to keep security gates closed. A strap bar is used to keep folding gates in a locked position when not in use. Folding gates are also available on single or double gate styles. Double gates feature a can bolt that holds either the left gate or both gates in place in the extended position. For the largest selection of safety and security gate solutions for the material handling industry, choose Illinois engineered products.